There's ebbs and flows and runs all game long. There was a couple other times in the game where, it was a little bit stagnant. I don't think it had really anything to do with the timing. I just think that's what happens in the game. You got to be able to play through those moments.
但是他并不会认为说好像是就是第4节一开始就会每次只要在这里头，他是说刚好比赛的过程中，有时候他就总是会有一段时间不顺的时间，是刚好会发生，就是在第4节的时候，跟他的一些换人任务其实并没有太大一个直接的关联。对前面问题都要再重复一次吗？
就是他这边跑动起来，
感觉跟前一场不一样。
对，然后。
My energy. I always come out and just give them all when I go out there and step out on the floor. I just try to continue to just pick up my guys to just run with me. Sometimes I can't do it on my own, so I just try to encourage all my guys like Steph, especially Archie. Sometimes he gets beat a couple times. I just encourage him to just keep going hard and just continue to just fight. And just never giving up and don't get discouraged. So and that just goes for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Not just these 2 guys right here, but I do it for everybody. So during the game, so I get my energy, and also I feed off of their energy when they come and just rally behind me at the same time. So we just feed off each other, and that's just a good thing, and it's just good things happen when that happens.
他如果他的活力的部分来讲，跟跑动的部分其实来讲的话，其实并不是跟他自己想象中，他要每一场比赛他都是尽力去打，但是同样他会在比赛的过程中，他不断的去鼓励他的队友，包含说他是在他级的部分，能够持续的把能量都带出来，大家是这样是个相互感染的情况，所以他除了必须要让他自己维持高档、全力以赴之外，他也会希望他的队友们能够有所回应。可以造成说彼此都互相能够去，他讲说 feel off 那个 HR 的 synergy， 就是说，我也可以得到你的能量，可以帮助我在场上继续推动。
想问教练，在就在的洋将阵容会改变吗？还是这两个人都换他？
目前来讲的话，我们还没有讨论到这边。我们目前就是教练这边的话，他到时候要花点时间想一想。
For Jared and for Steven, congratulations on the win. You guys mentioned before how much you like playing with each other. Given the rosters of only 2 imports at a time, was any of the thinking heading into this game, hey, let's fight for one more game to play with each other?
First of all, Stephen, it's all good. No, we always talk day to day. It's fun playing with Jaren. We play so hard, and and for me, it's fun to play with a guy that goes so hard on the court. So when I see that, it just fuels me to play the same way, to go as hard as he does. So it's fun, man. Not just him, just all my teammates, man. We all go hard for each other. We're all a great group of guys. So it's all love around here.
那 Ryan 的问题是问说，是不是2个人要讨论说，我们再拼一场，可以大家再合作多一场球这样子。那当然是回答是说，其实不是只有他，大家都还是说，因为他觉得他跟 Jaren 打球是非常愉快的，但是不是只有因为他不想多，他其实大家都是想多努力合作，我再多拼一些，多拼一些。
Yeah, I like playing with anybody. You know what I'm saying? So it's not just no individual person, like I always been saying. But we all can play. Just unfortunately that it's just one import in the 4th quarter and 2 that can play at the same time. Rather like in the ABL last year that for most of the was playing, there was 3 imports that could play the whole game. So it's no just I like playing with this guy, I like just playing with that guy. Like I said, we just come out here and just give it our all every time we got to throw on the floor. And just try to come out with the win as possible as all the effort that we can to come out with it.
当然，觉得回答也是一样的，就是说，其实可以不是只有针对单一的个体，可以跟大家一起合作打球。当然，他跟 ABO 不一样 ，ABO 的很多洋将可以3个同时在场上，但现在我们只有第4节的单一洋将，但是在这场不是因为只有 Steph，大家他都是跟其他人，他可以很喜欢跟其他人一起打球。